My name is Elise Strobach, and I'm the CEO, founder, and inventor of AeroShield. And we are creating this aerogel material that is super insulating and for the first time, ultra clear, that enables us to cut the energy losses through your windows in your homes in half. So in particular, we're excited to talk about today, if I can get my clicker to work here. It says there we go. Awesome. As we talk about today, AeroShield is at a really exciting transition where we're looking to take this technology that we developed in the lab during my PhD that started off about this size, and now we're making sheets the size of doors. And so we're looking for investors and funders, customers and supply partners, as well as talent to help us grow the scale of our manufacturing and actually build a production facility that can launch those first products into market. Entry doors and patio doors that can save you 65% or more of the energy loss that's lost through those products, starting in late 2026. This is a really big problem because 30 to 40% of your heating and cooling bill that you pay every month is being lost out through your window. And that's because our windows are 10x less insulating than our walls. And this is a pretty big problem. Around the world, lots of governments and different state entities have tried to put out incentives to encourage people to buy more energy efficient products. But the issue is that they just can't make them cheap enough. You look at the triple pane products that are on the market today, which are only 5% of the market, despite being the most well-known energy efficient product. They're just too thick, too heavy, and too expensive to be adopted at a faster rate in the US. And so that's why window and glass manufacturers are coming to us and asking, how can AeroShield solve this problem? So I'm excited today to talk about these AeroShield window prototypes, and I've got a version of the double pane right here. So what this is it looks like your traditional double pane window, only we've taken a sheet of this clear and insulating material with this patented nanostructure developed here at MIT. We've attached it to glass, and then we've made a window using the same process that they could use in the window manufacturing industry today, leveraging that same equipment, leveraging that same infrastructure. They really don't have to change anything about how they install this, and all of that to create a window where you can't even see that material, but it's saving you 65% of the energy over if that material wasn't inside of here. So in terms of what this means for you guys as the end homeowners, that means that even when we look at producing products out of this first commercial facility, so the first of its kind producing these clear and insulating aerogels, even in these first products, we can compete with those triple panes that what's known as the most energy efficient product on the market in wide adoption today. We can have an R factor of an insulating factor that's even higher than that triple pane window, but cost less when we look at the total installed cost to those homeowners. That doesn't even take into consideration that we can allow you to qualify for incentives and tax credits and things like that. So we really start to change the math on what it means to be able to purchase an energy efficient product. And that's why all of our stakeholders get very excited about what we're bringing to market. So we already have customer partners who are committed to offtake from this production facility and bringing those first products into market in 2026. We've been working with them for several years on co-developing and had a lot of success. In addition to that, the ARPA-E has awarded us a $14.5 million non-dilutive grant, also to deploy in the capital equipment and the build out of this production facility, because they also see the value in having this really great domestically manufactured product that can save us a lot of energy and increase our energy security. And it's not just windows and homes that can benefit from this. We have a lot of applications that we're already starting to explore, like ovens, freezer doors, airplanes. More than $30 billion per year that we've already identified in the US alone in potential markets for AeroShield with this sort of drop-in platform material that can be integrated in a lot of ways into a lot of existing processes. And in particular, we're excited here today to ask for help because today we've already achieved a lot. We've done industry testing. These prototypes, if you have a chance to come see the aerogel material, it's a little bit fragile, but we've already survived 50,000 door slams. So we know that from a product testing perspective, we've already worked with our customers to really put it through the rigors of what it might experience in your home. We already have access to the material, an exclusive license from MIT within this space that is tied back to that unique nanostructure. That means that we really are the only ones that understand how to make and can produce this super insulating, ultra clear material. We also have a unique team of 25 full-time employees who have been working on this problem for 5 years. We've set up pilot manufacturing in Waltham, Massachusetts. So we're not just talking about making these in the lab, we're actually making these on industrial lines. And that gets us really excited for why we're asking for help today, is we really want to launch these products into our beachhead market in 2026. And that's how we're looking for funding, for more customers, and certainly talent to help us grow and execute on that. And of course, we've already got ARPA-E and a customer partner who's signed up and committed to seeing the success of that production facility because they understand, along with our team, that this builds to a really exciting mass market entry point. Gigatons of potential carbon removed, and all of these different application spaces where we can create value and save energy. So that's why very excited today. If you're an investor or a funder, especially one that likes to work in the built environment or with hard tech companies who are passionate, please come by our table and talk with me. If you are in this industry and you have any connection to glass coatings, windows, or even just material and chemical innovations, we'd love to talk with you and see if there's a way that we can create value together. And of course, as we're looking to build out this team and set up production of our material, we're looking to grow our talent. So whether that's chemical processes, manufacturing design and scale up, product development, especially in the window and glass industry, or certifications of these product lines that we're developing, would love to talk. And if you just happen to be interested and want to see this amazing aerogel material that once we put it inside of a window can save all this energy and last in your home for 10 to 20 years, please step by our table. Happy to show you some samples of the material and show you why we believe that aerogel and AeroShield are the clear choice for insulation.